This is Professor Jimenez. Now we're going to do the experiment of testing the thermistor and with two series resistors, as you can see here in the circuit. We will be applying 5 volts to two series resistors of 10K, and this 10K is in parallel with the thermistor, which its resistance at 25 or 20 Celsius is around 9 kilo ohms. So when they're in parallel, we will get less than 5 kilo ohms. So, and we will measure the voltage from here to ground. So this represents the voltmeter, which I have here connected. So this is the circuit, and the circuit assembled on the board is this one. So what we have here, let me show you. We have here the board, the power supply, and because these boards, the bus is cut right here, so we have to place a jumper on the ground on this side and another jumper on the voltage on this side, on the right side, right here. That way the voltage will continue from this point to this point all the way down. Also here, in this case the ground. I just placed an LED with a series resistor, 200 or 300 ohm resistor to verify that we have the 5 volts. Anyway, the power supply is turned on with this push button, and you can see here the 5 volts. And also the circuit is made of this. So we place the 10 kilo ohm resistor to voltage, and then to this point, and from here another resistor, from here a jumper to ground to close the circuit. These are two 10 kilo ohm resistors, and we are placing here the thermistor, the terminals of the thermistor, okay, and the thermistor is in parallel with this series resistor. That's why you see there the connections. And now the thermistor, we have placed the thermistor in cold water, in iced water, right here. So we have here iced water, and the temperature of the ice water at this moment is, let me see how we can stir it a little bit. And so you can see there we have 5 Celsius, or 4.8 or 5 Celsius. And this is the ambient temperature for the water at ambient temperature. So at 4.3 Celsius, we have 2.12 or 2.13 volts. Okay, so we have to fill in this table. So we said that at 4.6 Celsius, the voltage we have is 2.12 volts. Now, what voltage do we have with the water at ambient temperature? So we have to take the thermistor from the cold water, from the ice water, and put it there at ambient temperature. The ambient temperature is 24 Celsius, as you can see there. And you will see that the voltage is decreasing. So we used to have 2.12, now it's decreasing through up to 1.7, and it'll be stable in a few seconds. So we can say that at 24 Celsius, 24.5, 24 point something Celsius, we have 1.72 volts. Okay, so we write it down on the table at 24.7 Celsius, 24.3. I place here 24.5. We have 1.72. Now let's see what is the voltage when with the hot water that we have here. So we take the thermistor, we put it there To know the temperature, I'm going to take this sensor and I'm going to put it there in the hot water. So you can see the reading now. This is T2. The hot water is at 79.9. We can say 80 degrees. Okay, or 79 degrees. It's going to be getting cold because I opened up the cup. But anyway, so 79 or 80 degrees is the water temperature, the hot water temperature. Now, what is the voltage we're getting? It's 0.5, as you can see there. 0.5 volts. So those are the new voltages that we get, and because we are placing the thermistor at this temperature in hot water at 78 Celsius. So 79, 80, we were having 80 a moment ago. And this is my table. So I'm expecting from every one of you from all of you to get these 3 readings and the voltages, and you have to demonstrate that with your own voltmeter. Okay, so this is the thermistor in parallel with a resistor RK. This is the today's experiment. Okay, so that's all, and thank you very much.